Welcome to the timeline of English tenses. English tenses revolve around three fundamental time zones: the past, the present, and the future. All 12 English tenses are built around these three time periods. Understanding these three main time points is the foundation for mastering all tenses in English. There are three main categories of tenses. First, simple tenses describe actions that are completed at a specific point in time. Second, continuous tenses, also called progressive tenses, describe actions that are ongoing during a time period. Third, perfect tenses describe actions that have been completed with relevance to another point in time. These three categories apply to the past, present, and future. Let me show you all 12 tenses organized by time period. In the past, we have four tenses: simple past, past continuous, past perfect, and past perfect continuous. In the present, we have four tenses: simple present, present continuous, present perfect, and present perfect continuous. In the future, we have four tenses: simple future, future continuous, future perfect, and future perfect continuous. Each time period has the same four types of tenses. Let's learn about the simple past tense. The simple past describes an action that happened and finished in the past. We form the simple past by adding negative ed to the base verb or using the second form of the verb. For example, I walked to school, or she watched a movie. The simple past is used for actions that are completely finished with no connection to the present time. Now let's explore the past continuous tense. The past continuous describes an action that was happening or ongoing in the past, usually over a period of time. We form it with was or were plus the base verb with negative ing. For example, I was walking home, or she was watching television. The past continuous is often used to show that an action was interrupted by another action in the past. The past perfect tense shows an action that was completed before another action in the past. We form it with had plus the third form of the verb, also called the past participle. For example, I had finished before she arrived, or they had eaten dinner. The past perfect is used to show the sequence or order of two events that both happened in the past, where one happened before the other. The simple present tense describes habitual actions, daily routines, facts, or general truths. We form it with the base verb in its first form. For example, I walk to school, or she likes coffee. The simple present is used for actions that happen regularly, things that are always true, or situations that don't change. It describes what people do as a regular pattern or habit. The present continuous tense describes an action that is happening right now, at this moment. We form it with am, is, or are plus the base verb with negative ing. For example, I am walking home, or she is watching television. The present continuous shows an action that is already in progress as you speak. It emphasizes that the action is currently in motion. The present perfect tense connects the past to the present. It describes an action that started in the past and has relevance to the present moment. We form it with have or has plus the third form of the verb. For example, I have finished my work, or she has lived here for 5 years. The present perfect is used when something happened in the past, but the result or effect continues into the present. The simple future tense describes an action that will happen later, in the future. We form it with will plus the base verb in its first form. For example, I will go to school, or she will finish work. The simple future is used for predictions about what will happen, decisions that are made at the moment of speaking, or promises about future actions.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.